This is in Naoshima Island, which is in the Seto Inland Sea of Japan, between Shikoku and Honshu, the main island. And Naoshima is known for its art installations and museums and artwork, including the famous yellow pumpkin and a red one by Kusama Yayoi, a famous female artist. Anyway, so this ryokan here is called Naoshima Ryokan Roka, R-O-K-A. And you can see here, it says Roka Suite. So there's 11 rooms here. This is the one suite, and has 103 square meters of total living space. So let's take a look. Here's how you enter. So we go in, and this is the main living area. So Naoshima Ryokan Roka, I'll just say Roka from now, opened in April of 2022. So just 10, 11 months ago, during and there's a dearth of luxury hotels and ryokans in this island. There is Benessa House, which is pretty interesting, but it's not high-end luxury. So for those looking for that experience, Roka supposedly fits that bill. So this is the main living area. This is the Japanese tatami area. And then in the back, there's a dining table and sofa. And back over here is the wash basin, and there's a bathroom hidden behind there we'll get to in a second. What is behind here is, so this is the bedroom. Just roll open these doors. You can see, you can keep it open or close it, whatever. There's a couch. And there's a small closet and then a place you can put your belongings. So this is a living area. Let's turn back around. Again, this is an art island, so there's a lot of artistic elements to this place and just about the entire island. So there's a workspace, couch, dining table, kind of a bar stools. And then you can see the deck over here. We'll get to that in a bit. So back up. Come around this way. And so here is the toilet. Japanese style. With the wash lid, heated seats, all that good stuff. Over here, to the left, I won't go through all the show you all the details, but to the left is the mini bar. These three pull-out shelves have coffee and tea and cups, and then over here they have sinks for people who you can just pull it out for people looking for an extended stay here. All right, so coming over here is the sink. And then over here is the bathing area. So you have the shower, and then you have a bath that is filled up and heated. Now, you might be wondering, is this onsen? And the answer is, it is not. I guess in Naoshima, there's some areas with onsen, but it's not a guarantee that if you dig, they're just going to have the onsen hot springs that are usable for bathing with the right mineral composition. Anyway, so, but they have, you see this little bottle here, which is some formula that's taken from the hot springs in nearby Okayama Prefecture. So you add that in there, and then you can have somewhat of an onsen-like experience. You can open these sliding glass doors open for somewhat of an open-air experience. But it's nice, it's always on, it's always heated. You can jump in and out whenever you feel like it, and however you want to do it. And then, so let's finally show you the outside. Let me see if I can, probably have to twist this open. Oh, no, split open. All right. Let me see. How do we open this? I think we come around this way. Yep. All right, so there's a little deck. Zoom out a little bit. There's no walkway, there's no path here, so you get, good privacy. So there's a little rock garden area. This is a new ryokan, as I said. It doesn't have quite the vegetation growth yet because it's a new property. So the landscaping's still a work in progress, I guess. But what you see here, it's one of the artworks from an initiative called the Bamboo Project. And so they use art using bamboo. And so this is one of them from, I forgot the name of the artist. But anyway, so you'll see there's these kind of twisting bamboo things. Again, it's Naoshima is known for its modern art, or contemporary. A lot of buildings made by Tadao Ando, as well as Yayoi Kusama, famous female artist, who made the two pumpkins, among other things, here. And so, anyways, this is a place that you could chill out. It's brand new and modern. And this is Naoshima Ryokan Roka. Oh, there's no TV. So again, I guess you're supposed to have a Zen-like experience, do some contemplation, enjoy some of the art around here. So I guess it's for younger people who have, PCs or phones to entertain themselves. Anyways, Naoshima Ryokan Roka in Naoshima Island, Kagawa Prefecture on the island of Shikoku in Japan.